Hi guys, it's Nikki, Creative Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you how to make this beautiful long wave crochet stitch, sometimes just called the wave stitch. And it is super easy to do. It just requires some basic stitches. Then you're going to need your hook. In my case it is a 5mm hook, and I'm using some worsted weighted yarn. In my case it's the Deborah Novell yarn, and in two different colors. So this one I used two different blue colors, and for the tutorial I'm going to use a purple and a pink. So let's get started. You're going to need a multiple of 14 plus 2. So here in my case I have 30 stitches, and you're just going to simply use basic stitches in order to create this beautiful stitch with this beautiful texture. You can use it for blankets, for baskets, for hats, whatever you feel like it. Okay, so you're going to skip the first stitch, and starting from the second stitch we're now going to start our sequence. So in my case I'm going to have two sequences, meaning two waves that I'm creating. So you're going to have a single crochet in the second stitch, next one another single crochet. Now you're going to do, so each stitch I'm creating is in one of these chains, okay? So there's no increases, decreases, it's just one stitch per chain, or later on per stitch. Now we're going to do 2 half double crochets, one in each, 2 double crochets, three half double crochets, now backwards 2 double crochets, two half double crochets, we're almost there. We're now going to do 3 single crochets, and one of them is going to be part of the next part. So this is the first wave. Let me see if I can make it a hint brighter. Beautiful. Alright, so now we're going to keep continuing. We're going to now work on the half double crochets again. 2 of those. Now 2 double crochets. Three treble crochets, two half double crochets, no, didn't I? And now 2 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn. So you just created 2 waves right here. Now you're going to work your way backwards with 1 single crochet in each stitch. The reason for that is to give it a little bit more stability, considering you have these big stitch in between, therefore bigger gaps. So going back one row of single crochet helps with that. Once you get to the last single crochet, don't finish it up, because that way we have a nice smooth transition with the new color. So you're going to finish up the last stitch with the new color. In my case, this is like a deep purple. Now you're going to ignore that pink, and we're going to start with the purple. You're going to chain 3. This is the only one that you're going to count as a stitch right here. This is just the way I like to do it, because when you do single crochets it's very hard sometimes to see that chain. So I do not count the chain for a single crochet as a turning chain, but I might do it for a treble crochet, otherwise you have a clunk up area right there. Okay, so now we're going to shift our wave. As you can see right here, there's a shift where you're going to create the next bulk in the area where there's a low wave part right here. So you're going to chain 3 as I mentioned, and then the next stitch, not the same stitch, the next stitch, you're going to have a treble crochet. So this is the same sequence, just that you're working in a shift, okay? So now we're going down in stitches, because this is the big area, so we want to have single crochets on top of the treble crochets. So now you're going to create 2 double crochets, now 2 half double crochets, now 3 single crochets, now 2 half double crochets, 2 double crochets, 3 treble crochets, 2 double crochets, two half double, 3 single, now 2 half double again, 2 double, and you're going to finish it up with 2 treble crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Now you're going to work your way backwards again into creating single crochets, so to provide that stability. Also, this allows to have an easier change of color, so that you have the color changes only happening on one side of your piece. Be sure to go into the top chain or in that space of the last one right here of that chain of 3, and then don't finish it up, as you're now going to change colors again to the pink. So I kind of like to just leave it up here, like kind of hanging there, because the way I created my piece is I'm going to sew this part in the end when I'm finished, so you won't see the change of color right here. So if you're doing a blanket, you can easily go around it and just make, I don't know, single crochet or whatever, so you're going to hide the change of color. You would now chain one, and now you're going to repeat what you did down here. But instead of going into chains, of course, you're going to just go into these single crochets right there. So I'm going to do one more row for you guys, and then this is just going to repeat itself over and over again. So one single crochet and another one, then 2 half double, 2 double, 3 treble, 2 double, 2 half double, 3 single, 2 half double, 2 double, 3 treble, 2 double, 2 half double, and 2 single. You would chain 1, turn, and now you're just going to go back with single crochets all the way to the end, and then switch colors again with the purple and repeat the rows how you did them for the purple right here. I hope this video was helpful and very clear on how to do this. This is very easy, and it provides a beautiful piece in the end, whether you're going to make it as a blanket, a hat, or anything like it, even a purse. It would be beautiful in the end. Please like, comment, and share this video, and go ahead and subscribe to YouTube subscribe button so that you can be notified when my new videos are coming out. This would really help you because I have a lot of stitch tutorials coming out in the future, usually about once a week. Alright, thanks you guys for watching. See you later. Bye.